Welcome. What would you like to order?
A burger and fries, please.
That's input. Just like pressing keys on a computer, you're telling the system what to do. Now, the workers are cooking your food. This is processing. Just like how a computer follows instructions to complete a task.
Hello, kids! This is Captain AHS. Have you ever wondered how a computer knows what to do when you press a button? It's not magic, it's called data processing. Just like a chef follows a recipe to cook a meal, computers follow steps to process information. Let's dive into the world of input, process, and output and see how computers think.
How does a computer know what to do when we type something? Think of a computer like a pizza shop. You order a pizza and the chefs get to work. So, my order is like input? Exactly. You tell the shop what you want, just like we give a computer instructions. Now they're making the pizza. This is processing. The chefs follow steps to make sure your pizza is correct, just like a computer processes data. And this is output. I got my pizza just like a computer gives results. That's right. Computers work the same way, input process output.
Welcome. What would you like to order?
A burger and fries, please.
That's input. Just like pressing keys on a computer, you're telling the system what to do. Now, the workers are cooking your food. This is processing. Just like how a computer follows instructions to complete a task.
Here is your order.
And now I have my food. That's output.
Yes. And this is how exactly the computer works also. Input. Processing. Output.
Whoa! Look at those machines. But how do these machines know what to do?
They work just like a computer. Let's break it down. First, they take the part, this is input, just like how a computer takes information from a user. Now, they follow steps to assemble the toy, this is processing. Just like how a computer follows commands.
And at the end a toy car gets ready, that's the output.
Exactly. Computers break down big tasks into small steps, input, process, output.
It's time for the quiz. What is the first step in data processing inside a computer? Option A, output. Option B, input. Option C, processing. Option B, input. Which part of the computer processes the data and makes decisions? Option A, monitor. Option B, CPU. Option C, keyboard. Option B, CPU. What is an example of an input in data processing? Option A, clicking a mouse. Option B, seeing a picture on the screen. Option C, typing on a keyboard. Option A, typing on a keyboard. What is an example of an output in data processing? Option A, clicking a mouse. Option B, seeing a picture on the screen. Option C, typing on a keyboard. Option B, seeing a picture on the screen. What happens during the processing stage? Option A, the computer stores the data. Option B, the CPU thinks and processes the data. Option C, the user enters data into the computer. Option B, the CPU thinks and processes the data. Now that we know how computers process data, what if we could step inside a computer-generated world? Imagine exploring the ocean without getting wet or flying through space from your bedroom. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the basics of virtual reality. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.